Hi guys, I'm Kathy with Design by Kathy. Today we're going to do an acrylic pouring. It's going to be partial dirty pour and partial I guess a clean pour. So got everything set up, so let's get started. Hey guys, so in one of my other videos I talked about finding color inspiration in various places. This is just one of the posts that are, whatever, on Pinterest that I was talking about. And I'm not going for the look of the picture necessarily, or at all even, but it was the color scheme that they have together here. And they're colors in nature, so what better way of putting colors together. So as you can see, I've kind of matched up per se the color scheme of this. This is a little bit different, but it's still a teal, and I didn't have a really dark blue green rather, and this one is an aqua. So anyway, so that's just, like I said, a good way to find inspiration for your color schemes to use. Let's put this away somewhere safe and out of the way. And then we'll be lucky if I remember where I put it. So what I've done is I have combined, let's see, what am I leaving out? Okay. I have created a dirty pour. And again, we've talked about the dirty pour in some other videos, but what I used was each of these paints. I used this golden gloss paint medium. Let's set these aside. And I mixed them all together. And I have, as you can see along here, the layers, the different layers of the different colors that we've done. These two I've set aside to add each of these just by themselves. So I've already got this ready to go, and I do want to have everything ready. These are kind of stuck together. I reuse these until I just can't anymore. And I'm going to put on some gloves. Or I'm going to try to. Because while this is a fun project, it's a little bit messy. Just, you know, it's acrylic paint, it will clean up, but you just really want to protect your hands. This is a 12 by 12 canvas that Michael's had on sale. And you can see I have a protective covering under here. Just going to pour it on like so. Then you're going to just take your canvas and start to tilt it. Just keep rotating it. Now I like how that's forming. Now this one that I used to match that other color, it's actually called Champagne, and it's got a little glitter in it. So I thought we would, just see what we could do to add a little sparkle here. This is metallic. It's very similar to the Terra Cotta. And then we're going to continue our tilting. It's almost taking on a marbled effect there. You can see the little bit of the glitter. That looks really interesting how it's just that little bit of glitter. Didn't want to overpower it with the glitter, but I did want some. Little more of the metallic along with the glitter. Whoops. I'm trying to hold this where I don't have thumbprints all over the edges. But you do want it to run over the edges. And I want to make sure that all of my canvas is completely covered. Sometimes it's a little hard, even though it's flowing over the edges. Sometimes the little corners don't get covered. But I've got all this paint that's overflowed down here that I can certainly use to go back and touch up my corners. I want just a little bit right there. And just a little more metallic, maybe right through here. And I think we've got all the edges and all the surface completely covered. Whoa, trying to hang on to this. There we go. There we go. And now we're just going to touch up I'll come back and touch up these little edges right along here because I do, like I said, I do want those to be covered. Touch these up and we'll let this dry. And we have a great piece with those beautiful colors from nature. But I think this is, you know, just, you can see the little swerves in there. It's almost like not marbled. Maybe not granite. Trying to think of something and it's just not coming to me. But anyway. Agate. That's what I was going for, people. I couldn't think of it. Anyway, kind of an agate look a little bit. Oops, through there. And don't touch it with your gloves like I just did. We'll see if I can get that to right there. Talking with my hands. It's a bad habit. Well, I'm pretty happy with how this came out using these colors found in nature. So a natural color combination. And I hope you'll give it a try too. Please leave me any comments and I hope you'll like and share. And whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it. Thanks, folks.